How to get business credit cards that pull only from TransUnion. In this video, I am going to teach you how to strategically identify and apply for business credit cards that primarily or exclusively pull your credit report from TransUnion. Many business owners prefer this because their TransUnion score might be their highest, or they may already have too many inquiries on their Experian or Equifax reports. By the end of this video, you will know which lenders to target and how to verify their current pulling habits so you can protect your credit scores while growing your business. Most major banks have a preferred credit bureau they use for hard inquiries, but these can change based on your geographic location or the specific card product. To get a business card that specifically hits TransUnion, you need to follow a logical sequence to ensure you are not wasting an inquiry. Step 1. Focus on the lenders that are historically known for pulling TransUnion for business applications. Barclays is one of the most consistent in this regard. Whether you are applying for the JetBlue Business Card or the Wyndham Rewards Business Card, Barclays almost exclusively pulls from TransUnion across the United States. Another strong option is Synchrony Bank, which issues several retail business cards like the Amazon Business Prime American Express. Additionally, Navy Federal Credit Union is famous for pulling TransUnion for their business line of credit and credit cards, provided you are a member of the credit union. Step 2. Research regional data points. Even though a bank like Wells Fargo or U.S. Bank might pull TransUnion in one state, they might pull Experian in another. Before you apply, visit community-driven credit pull databases and search for recent business card applications in your specific state. Look for data points from the last 3 to 6 months to see which bureau was actually used. This real-time information is often more accurate than general lists you find online. Step 3. Utilize the security freeze method. This is a common strategy where you freeze your Experian and Equifax reports before submitting your application. If a lender tries to pull those bureaus and finds them locked, they may occasionally default to pulling TransUnion if it is available. However, be aware that some lenders like American Express or Chase may simply send you a letter asking you to unfreeze Experian. This method works best with lenders that already have a secondary relationship with TransUnion. Step 4. Contact the bank's small business department directly. Before hitting the submit button, you can call the issuer and ask which bureau they typically use for business credit evaluations in your zip code. While the frontline representatives might not always have the exact answer, they can often confirm if the bank has a primary partnership with a specific bureau like TransUnion. Now here is your pro tip. If you are applying for multiple business cards that pull from TransUnion, try to do them within a short window of time. Since TransUnion is often the least pulled bureau for business credit, having a few inquiries there is much less damaging than having them on Experian, which is the go-to for most other business lenders. Keeping your inquiries concentrated on your strongest bureau allows you to maintain a higher score on the others for future financing needs. To recap what we covered today, you should target lenders like Barclays, Synchrony, and Navy Federal who have a strong history with TransUnion. Always check local data points for your specific state and consider freezing your other reports to guide the lender toward the bureau you want them to use. By being intentional about which bureau is pulled, you can scale your business credit much faster without tanking your personal credit profile. If this guide helped you understand the credit pull process better, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more business credit strategies. I want to know in the comments which business card are you planning to apply for next, and is TransUnion your highest score? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.